In this course, we'll use Node to set up our environments to code. Node, as an engine for JavaScript, helps us build full applications. With it, we can run JavaScript servers and use its installer, npm, to access a whole bunch of packages that other developers have already created. So head to nodejs.org. And right on the homepage, you should see a button that allows us to download Node. Now don't worry if you're not on a Mac system, there's a downloads page where you can see all the links to install the Node package on your system, whether you're on Linux, Windows, or Macintosh. So download it. Alright, here we have our installation process. There's a small introduction saying where it will download. There's a licensing agreement. And you can go ahead and read this. I've already read it, so I'll agree. And then here, I'm installing it on my system. Basically going through the motions. And there, it's installing. It shouldn't take too long. And there we go, it installed. So once you have Node installed, we can check if it correctly installed by going to our command line application. For Mac users, our command line application is called Terminal. And for Windows, I believe it's Command Prompt. So here we go, Terminal. Terminal, or any other command line application, simply allows us to explore folders or directories on our system with type-based commands. It's a tool that all developers use, and if you make your career in software engineering, you'll use them the whole way through. So once in Terminal, let's type the command node-v. We should get the current version of Node. Awesome. And then let's check npm-v to see if the npm package installer also installed. Awesome. There's our version. With Node installed, we have access to all the npm packages and a full JavaScript engine right on our machine.